What if I told you that you are amazing and unique? How would you react? Sometimes it's hard to believe. I get that. Sometimes hearing that phrase is really uplifting. But let's face it, the phrase, "you are amazing and unique," has been said so many times, whether it's by your parents, your teachers, other family members, or by fake social media influencers. It's lost its charm a bit. It's lost its meaning. So I'm here to tell you that you are amazing. And if you're sat there wondering about it, well, I'm going to tell you in a way that you might not be expecting. So let's think about it. There are around 8 billion people living on our planet as of 2024. And each one of these people have their very own unique features. For example, did you know that every single person that has ever lived on our planet has their own unique fingerprints, and that no two people with the same fingerprint have ever been discovered? Now, I think that's amazing. And even if it's just your finger, that's really cool. But now I want you to multiply our population by 14.625. It might be a bit hard to do in your head, so the answer that sum leads to is around 117 billion. And this is the estimated number of how many people that we think has ever existed on our planet. So that means that technically you are 1 in 117 billion. But these numbers mean nothing in comparison to our vast universe. So let's start to look at the larger scale of things. Our unique planet that we live on, the Earth, has an approximate diameter of 12,700 kilometres. We know our planet is big because of the large amount of times it takes to travel to certain places. But how big is our planet compared to some of the other planets in our solar system? The largest planet in our solar system is called Jupiter, and it has an estimated diameter of around 139,820 kilometres. Our Jupiter had around 1,300 Earths could fit inside of Jupiter. And actually, Jupiter's diameter is basically, if you travel to UK, to America, and then repeat that travel distance around 20 times, and then travel a few more thousand miles, and you get Jupiter's diameter. But how big is Jupiter compared to our own Sun? Now, our Sun has an approximate diameter of 1.392 million kilometres wide, and around 1,000 Jupiters could fit inside of our Sun. But our Sun is actually relatively small compared to a few other stars in our universe. For example, one of the largest stars known to mankind is called UY Scuti, and it has an estimated diameter of 3.4 billion kilometres, and around 5 billion suns could fit inside of UY Scuti. But UY Scuti is a red hypergiant star, and it is many, many light years away from us. However, UY Scuti is really small compared to our galaxy. The galaxy that we live in is called the Milky Way galaxy, and it has an estimated diameter of 105,700 light years. And for reference, 1 light year is 9.7 trillion kilometres. So the estimated diameter of the Milky Way would be 9.7 trillion multiplied by 105,700, which is an insane amount of kilometres. UY Scuti wouldn't even be a dot in comparison. It can't be seen. It's just that tiny. However, our galaxy is also not the biggest out there, and many scientists reckon that at least 1 trillion other galaxies exist in our vast universe. However, there is one massive object that we know of called the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, which is a massive galaxy cluster that holds billions and billions of galaxies like our own inside of it. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall has an estimated diameter of 7.2 billion light years wide, and our galaxy in comparison seems tiny. But the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall and our galaxy, and you, my Scooty. They're all in the part of the universe that we have discovered. And there is a massive amount of other parts of the universe that we have not explored. Which, yeah, we're probably going to find loads and loads more other massive objects, probably even bigger than the Hercules Carenovirus wall out there. But why am I telling you all this? Aren't I just making you seem really small? Well, what does it mean to be unique? So let's bring it all back to Earth, and more specifically, you. How are you unique? What does being unique actually mean? Well, according to the dictionary, the word unique means to be one of a kind, or to be unparalleled to anything else that has been or is in existence. The word unique basically means that there is only one of you with your exact personality, appearances, interests and experiences, the unbelievable and amazing things you can do, or the things that you will do or become in the future, and even the microscopic things, such as your very own DNA, your fingerprints I mentioned earlier, or even the trillions and trillions of cells inside of your body. You are one of a kind, and you are just indescribable. There is only, and there will only, be one of you in our vast universe that we have discovered, and there will still be only one of you in the huge amounts of the universe that we have not discovered. Well, now we might discover other life in the far future, such as aliens, but none of which will ever be similar to you. You are so unique and incredible, and the fact that in the concept of all these gigantic numbers in the universe that exist, you are one. And that is astonishing to know how nanoscopic, yet so mighty you are in comparison to our extraordinary universe. Thank you.